Asante Kotoko say yeah.
Okay, I'm saying internet numbers my body and tea. I say for encouragement in some family showers of 4.5 FM said yeah. Yes, judgment no me catch them no. Na ye share empanifo bi anim ewo studio ha. Nyame adom odomo aba bedru me wo yewura. Onyina Asenso Kumasi Asante Kotoko corporate and external affairs manager. Ewo efia Sanso and Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Me focus pa Lord Hilary Adabo Onyina no atnase e video mu a. Ye bedin komo na nyame adom the big game eba so Kumasi Baba Air Stadium nyame adom akosia dai aye 5 anwumre ana game no enso ebetimi astate awo aye Kumasi Baba Stadium no mu eba bedin komo enso ade afan Asenso good morning yes me there what is it am
oh na hwe me
ye shia won kan no an no me hu bi
unu anya no
afi the excuse ade ma mo so kasa wo ba ya na to ba wo
me kasa be ba mo se o
to mo so ya la be sa
to bo ase aya na ne so ko ban ni ba nyo
and also be studio na ya la and so ko ba to ma
chese me dwen ho a me ti ase
any ready am say hwem
also hwem
I hope the problem be any ho because you are near ya la ti so ko ban
na za bo be ka no fruit mam
na mudi me won komo se de mi
Miss Hayana asemi o hana
mudi me won komo se de mi ni Miss Mutie ya
aya
we dem say so ya no
se sana me boss Asenso ka odi emfa ne sa
okay
se sana o ka
age
emfa ne sa
the offer so person oba na so ma ne ma
Sunday nti
onka bibi
emfa ne sa
after Sunday be ka sa
oh and the no dey
mini anyo
meaning say ya baba game no so na ya ba be di game na nyame adom akwasi ada e ba so but e say I mean so ko abontia stories no e ya doso speculations hovering around coach Karim Zito and Sensem no is getting out of hand and you know say the ebe yes I mean it will be proper say on so say bi wono ma betimi achiche mu e di amayen coach Karim Zito Kotoko ne sake no ana ono ne so resign
Richard my main chat for it share FM anopa we na me momo achi say yeah that's it what be some asem let me say I think Monday so we do our usual management and technical meeting okay so we had a meeting and I didn't come in the course of the meeting and yes yen ko technical so
okay
so technical issues no na ye be din come on ye busan say what went wrong on a Diana match ni sa Pando match normally say because you too kind na unti meeting enti
jineza moka two matches bo mo call Lions so call you 3-1 and MTNF Cup the Diana the penalty mu free.
Yes,
okay
so the long and short they say yesterday you can say on a few technical errors which they will have to correct it but obviously say maybe a pressure na ba na pon match and they not supporters na be any other for the safety near there into the adwuma no beto na you say obeto us even at a point you we say your house match at ahead of us so
no her timing
not so the pressure near the no any other not so too much because I say omo no atem the dear am for crab person attack your money na enti the web one say person dey adwuma ne to ho ti ye bo na but obi also obekọ there opanyi oye dey obekọ ena it's okay ya jatum
and this Asenso me to so we dey fache me say me okasa na me rem
yeah
ya both two matches a week which the normal year Kotoko management mo ye mo management meeting year na afi mo share technical team ma hwe games na ma bono baby am free say anko yi no na za mo ni coach ma hwe na ma solve sa problems ni na dey afi wo then meeting as the coach abetena say management meeting wi
Yeah, yeah, technical no. So mostly we call him before we go to the general meeting.
Okay.
Yeah, no, so
the coach buy no. And no say adwumadi no on beso be to aso bi.
Yes.
But because management of Kotoko there. Na mo nyama dwen some besake coach.
No. And that's the situation I find yourself. Because also share any man na corner who say man soon and you could see that.
Na man convincing the coach.
Yeah,
time
in I catch you, but I think it's one of those things. So also went to me again abe.
Don't read me again to all. To honor no mamo. Let her now go banza.
One auntie the oil there. Yeah, can you? One was what they are ordinary man to it. Or but the letter be so and all the buy. So that's the thing.
Wow. I see. Insurance of 4.5 feno joining any Asenso Onyina on the corporate and external affairs manager. Adamo Kumasi Asante Kotoko na AD and Komonyami Adama said in big gamer. Ebaso awo aye baba said kwasiada. But before no say coach kan Zito and Komo and na ochichimu and so Eddie am I mess up as be at this point me person busa obe one he in the buy and Musa Hilary question bi na yemfa and also Hilary otimenka good morning na what to say
nyame adom
ye de nyame ase you know some players no mu de na mu say de ya kwasi da mo ni coach kan Zito and na ebobo game no and team bia no I mean players mu hu coach some papa because on that every day bia mo ni wo training na or munye we time amu team news no say coach kan Zito I say onye adwuma ni biem oko etikoto mpani fo nkofa coach from rano players no anyone kasa Adabo story no o fa ne saying
first of all let me greet your listeners good morning with regards to your question I mean well, we weren't really happy when the news came out because we know we have a big game ahead of us this Sunday. So we weren't really happy when the news came up.
So are you guys down?
Not really, because these things are all parts of football. So the main focus right now is on the Hearts game. Yeah.
Oh, okay. As if for some Adabo nsem na o kan sisi ana o se nyame anim omote asem no amu players no anheda anya omode because they na make no players there omoni coaches atizo papa enti you better say o papa e jo na tretre na afi there yes say dwumadi no onkura mu biem no amu players no but almost omo your professional job mbeso mu Kotoko enti say coach so okokra na omo emrante ndi sisi you know mo di bibia to machi a mo enso prepare for aye nyame adoma aye Sunday aye game no and so okay enti ahonsem no eno no asenso me samra ho biem na minim say bia yala wo ayi bia na me some next question me for asenso
me next question aye progression to the work is here you know sir Kotoko pamo Zito and I said Zito resign. Then came the news say Coach Prince Ousu and Hamza and they say you made never so munaswa in their own foreseeable future no na Kotoko technical team made juma na me be so me busa Asenso say omo yes announcement in we here no omati on record supporters leadership mienu chairman Fosuware and Asante regional circles chairman Alex Menu a omo granty interviews na omo express say omo jiri say those coach especially Coach Prince Ousu omo jiri say ontimi nye adwuma no say the management at take decision na omatia omo respond to those supporters leaders na anything.
Okay, so they are like an TV. I think I saw some flyers on social media and those things. But once a Jumana, you know, team supporters there. Yes. One way or the other, you may have your disagreement with management on some decision, but now no. If you listen, whatever disagreement you have, you say, "We are doing of a coach." We have a match on Sunday. Whoever you bring today, he can't make any changes. And it's a coach so qua. Also a transfer analysis who say, "Okay, ABC intina coach call here. What do we do? You have wait for next saying, but before we do that, our focus is Sunday match. Let's play Sunday match. After that." Then we come on the table and they have a discussion. Say, okay, maybe I am penal. What are your reasons? Ajumana and any supporters, we can't do without them. And to me, when they say, yes, you are baby, but Messi say, Omunya but training more Sunday matching we. Then after Sunday, then we can discuss those things.
So where they are fetching you say, maybe we can go follow up question be yeah. Say supporters leadership with the explanation of the Amayano pay. Coach is own team into a Jumedian should be. And so own team into us are at the answer Kotoko and I must say an assistant and take over.
Yeah.
And to say the supporters leadership when you now with this explanation of the Amayano pay. No, I'm so among Tiasia. Is it that there's this communication gap and answer them because with the explanation of the Amay, I mean it's clear.
Yeah.
Say a coach that's on to us be. So so on to us be at the end of Bema Penibi. I can say change na idea. So decision and penny for taking yeah, the penny.
Okay, so
now there's communication gap.
There's no communication. Me yesterday I spoke to supporter Shaman. I told him that Charlie, situation at home these things are not needed. What we need now is to move forward. Sunday a big game. Yeah, they did open. Regulation quite allows say what's any part to bench. What does say? Yeah. And then it should be alliances A coach and alliances B coach. Fortunately, Prince have A, Hamza have B. So Anna, you're more as assistant coaches. So we just allow them to operate, and then after, and to me, the Kasami Church, you say, you're more matching. We focusing should be on the match on Sunday because how shower. And to say the why did I say yeah, divert attention from the match near the cup before it's not good. The couple matching we near winning match, then you come and sit down and definitely we pick a coach. I know there nobody can dispute that fact, but we shouldn't take a hasty decision. Say yeah, because of Obisi on pen or Mr. Bisi on pen is in the interest of the club. Yeah. And see, Omunyamo Tremai.
And the bad decision now we do more share to the end of the season.
As we speak right now, no. Sunday match after that you will take a decision.
Okay.
So, and some because Adabo training grounds. Those people have been describing the media space as unknown. As in Kofobi Baho trying to prevent coach say Omoma no end training team no later. Kotoko company for led by an up and car 8 million Mokasai Emma training Ekoso. Asenso was there. What really happened was Adabo Jackson.
Last year I was there. I was at the training grounds, but me the work man got to. I was in a security meeting at the stadium around 3 o'clock. Okay. So right after the security meeting, I'm a call. Training grounds.
Adabo Jackson.
Yeah. So me the work man got to the work. Me say me got to say.
Do you know say a scene saying?
See,
you were on
the ground. See me.
Now
assembly see one. Assembly see one. I'm fail. And I see me what have a man. Okay. And you know, Friends was peacefully training the players with no interferences. Me quite them no. But no matter Omabo man say BBSC and Sana. I don't mean I remember coin no mu ye training no simple. Okay, Asenso. Me be
do Uber so say. Me do Adabo Jackson no. Ya more report to be answer di pe bi ba no
problem bi ani ho. Me say me kwete na me do supporters na no mo keke say kofo bi ba ha. On say ono crack say unknown. Today we don't know the people.
So it means that and question the people call but
the no me am best am ko we obi idea how do you
no problem me issue me question to Asenso as a management member they say die see bia enura omo gitum say chairman Fosuware mo ne Alex Menu mo comment
and insight
yes insight you say induce enkofobi emo mo be yet ade na
I think one it can be that one. It means when you know it could be from Bibia what I say Bibia a bit me say the omo kind no and it be omo anje ho a bit me say obi kra ho obi ahi ain't Bibia I mean the fact of the matter they say man got to any situation like that so mean to me man any details on the issue of somebody at the training grounds.
But the person is there. Yes, now we hope.
Yeah.
But I no crazy say any be unknown macho men be caught.
And I'm saying me na me ni ho ba me kote.
Okay.
Na me pay.
On record.
Yes. This is Richard Dana empanyimfo ya fa ho because yintimi enka asem ne trawa ne nko say e club is a Kotoko. Aku training guys so mkwa ko training ya. Yesi nkofo bi aba ho evade the space and say yeah my coach in your training Sekoto company for so yeah better and the can see a better and I'm no about those people have they reported it to the police and how are they preventing CBCB?
I think say kind our attention is mostly on the Sunday game what did I say and yes there have been measures and the team security was there the whole day at the training ground so they say and that's what we are going to do and not bet because you all went for the security meeting you know and I know only no because mostly you making sure say club security they are always there to make sure things are in order and you making sure say he'll be there and I know so she nearby now you fair police for a report but say Obia being video so they are still investigating.
Afei yɛmfiri saa nsɛnsɛm so na yɛmmra game na nkasa ɛba so nyame adoma kwasi ada no first of all gate no mo gye sɛn ahohyehyɛ ne te sɛ na afei yɛmfa me hɛ from management players ahoboa amayɛ for the game no.
Okay. Sunday the match is Sunday 5 p.m.
Okay.
My friend say Sunday obi obekwa so obekọ wedding obekọ baby a party bi no by 5 there wait me about spend 2 hours with us at the stadium tie the coin you message the bear obi ya se feel na obekọ anu akoda no akoy last for the next day and see what we are doing now is 5 p.m. is a kickoff rates 50 cedis across board
and yeah popular and then center line okay
yes 50 cedis and then VIP is 100 cedis. Yeah, say episode be a team baby. And say 50 should be across, but so that Obi Ofi be a bit me about Kotoko has match, you know. Now what should be. Now, me share your supporters say you say they see Sunday, no. We are all not happy. Say defending champions. Now Yababo na 90 minutes now ye film. We are hoping say we'll make amends Sunday. Nyameboa. Na yebeshe yeba victory to wipe those tears. Because omuni ho ye ni ho. And omunti ene there be am cause supporter I dey hear free ho and say just win the match. Okay. Apart from you win the match, supporter on here be am free o. Just why the 3 points a man and why the cap a man. Omani ji anu no. Enti we are not happy. Say Sunday ebasa. I just me cry na me catch you be say sela me kan na me machine. Yes, and I say me nyana nke e born foforo. If there's a way to play it again and bet anyesi or say and so far but not just on so be or say adwuma no koso. And see what I'm begging them, they say Sunday omumra na boys say are ready to do it for them. Okay. Na ometo machi. On say BBC were doing a match and at the point it's like I'm gonna go home. So they say but you can see your supporters but mama I don't know you did this na many boys 1 or 2 because I feel no because I'm poor children go for this but who say Any supporters. Say so mo say Sunday money nyina motivate boys no. Or any pan go no think Charlie, we can't disappoint these people. See Sunday no 50 cedis, 100 cedis. Whoever want to come ne omra me support him. But what if you cry na say onya bibia de bra. Na better o machi keke.
Asenso we dem nim say ye di game no nkomo de but ye diverting komo no kakra bi.
Okay.
Na me musa we. O ba ya obeye corporate adwuma dem akotoko no. Ufi so e dey no problem ntia. Yes, Kotoko no munya flamboyant result this season. But ensure so nya bad sir. But supporters no more stadium kra. E dia o tina se a we no problem the fidien entina supporters nema.
A big question of this. Let me say I am more crying research be and maybe me share and GF for say research be. Na Osha Adena home. I think any more of resource name man because you see at the point and then let me catch up at the point I'm say ya ton abetamo antina on my park abetamo aso. So why they not coming? What was someone's question? Because I think we need to get more of community engagement to understand what the Kotoko means for the people. We have started something and we engaging on him for bine. What I say? Say if one man phone and TSN because and then so people easily or find the phone or information be obeying. Say born or person or shop betting shop resource obeying. Previously we didn't have those things. So your main sources either you listen to radio or stadium.
Okay.
Now Sunday morning sir. And we need to get close to the people to understand that with or without the phones or the internet, your presence is needed at the stadium. Because how can you play a match and then I don't take it at 7,500, 10,000. So you can imagine.
How do they 40,000
capacity?
Oh, Baba.
What 7,000. We can so a month now. 7,500.
Will be a complimentary.
Yes. 7,000 crown. What do you compliment?
They were printing crown. Obianto.
What do I say?
Okay, now say. Me to say 7,000 they are printed.
And they printed.
Yes.
Printed. Yes. But no crown.
You are answer.
Wow.
I don't think I catch you. Say you can be a fan, but almost stadium. What makes you a fan? What makes you a supporter? Yes, somebody raised the question last time. Say, your bad boy say more ball life. What I say? Football do by because motivation. Now Real Madrid, don't say and say because on match I no lose. But among us among park. Well, let's go to park. Let's support the team. No matter the situation. Football, there are three things in football: win, lose, or draw.
Yeah.
You ain't even can say there be a winning. But we have to win for the supporters. And to also have to munya say, whatever it is, now no system issues are changing. But supporting it because also at least every match be 20,000. Yeah. At least where the numbers are be a claim we say you wanna. Because when a league in any fair near the idea, yeah, they also money fair. But I won't copy guarantee if you're better than I fair. Because so be announcement, I announce and then was a promotion. Yeah, promotions are
sure.
Just to let the people know say. And then Coco baby, you could share anyway, and then be also metal kakra, you share we metal mas. Even sometimes people even buy for supporters.
Wow. And the Asenso nkoma yedi. Nyame adom akwasiada. I mean ye benya na ye be stadium no. Why
ambiance no.
Unya baby grant na. Supporters mobilization to the stadium. Kwasiada nje to say my arrangement bizarre. Yes. Buses be
I think the supporter chairman is in charge of those things, and then he assured us say, he assured us say, oh yeah, BB anti a free check on the better no be on baby or position.
Okay.
Meaning didn't come. That's what he told me. So I think they also in charge. They are trying, but it's easy. And meaning say, arrangement no. That is why I take it. The attitude so be able to be.
Okay.
Obi abeti me at 50 over out to me try baby no atona until the 10 cedis 5 there no chambe no ahwe bi na oko na efe and 5 until me can say obi quite reality we am on a we no so ye bono ta nonum de
sa bra wi
ni ho
okay
no it me enjoy game no
marinko aye Hilary Adabo na yeni aye game no enso ehonkomo Larry, how are you and your guys prepared for Sunday's game?
Thank you. We are just working on it day in, day out. So this coming Sunday, we are assuring the fans that we'll definitely give them a win.
So are you assuring us that come Sunday, you and your guys, you are fully prepared to beat Hazebuk at the Kumasi Baba Stadium?
Definitely. There is no excuse to this kind of games. And if you look at the stats between we and Hazebuk, I think for the last 15 games or so, they haven't gotten a win or at the Baba Yara Sports Stadium. So it's not this time around that they will come and get a point. Yeah. So we are assuring them they should come in. They should come in and support us. You know, this is the time we need them even more.
Hilary, for a typical Kotoko fan,
Yeah.
his mood right now is that of huge disappointment.
Sure.
From the game against Lions, from the painful exit from the FA Cup against Aduana Stars. If you are promising them to come again, and that this time around you are going to win, what is that change? What is that new that you are going to do that makes this promise different from the other promises that you've made to the supporters?
Okay. See, the club is for them, no matter what. I mean, players will always come and go, management will come and go, but they will always stay. And this is the time we even need them more. So not because of us, but because of the club itself. Yeah, and this is not the, we know this, we are in tough times. I mean, the club has been in this situation before, even last season. It got to a point that the club was in this kind of tough situations, but they never left. So why this time? Yeah, so this is the time we need them. They should come. We are going to give them our best.
When you walk on the streets, there are a lot of conversations that says, "Oh, we've seen this Kotoko generation not being so flamboyant." But when it comes to Kotoko house games, they've really delivered. If you look at the statistics and the numbers and all that, what has been that magic wand that have made this group of players so dominant over House of Oak?
You see, as I said, this is a game of pride. Yeah, it's not about who is in form, who is not in form. It's a game of pride. And if you see maybe the past squad, what they have done, you don't come in and mess it up. You just don't come in and mess it up like that, because your name is going to be attached to those bad results. So you just can't mess up. Yeah.
Wait a moment, na Adabo nsem no kani na no na okay ye mu de ma for the first question Ayala bisa no and it's they say Kotoko supporters are down. I'm very, very disappointed with result na nsenya omanya no na say Kotoko matches mienu ni mienu ni na result no ankwenti ama as a fans no ebufu ni omo abema bukakra and nti dia no omo players no omo eboben o gino players na name na wa hye e dia ma omo players nsenya me adoma akosiada no omo ma se dia ba supporters no enso anim no se an enokre ogitum se na nsen eniema nkoye kra enfama club na oni ne mrante no omo nyina no omo gitum se ekuo no asante kodo mo fans no mo dia enti mubufu a mudibu se efu na omso mbe do mbetimi bia se nyame adoma akosiada no ombehye na sede enso no etimi aba monim. Then the second question Ayala bisa no and said nonsense obohwa anytime Kotoko behia has bia as a Kotoko has e dey na sisi empempen team no omo ya so mu hia has bia na omahye omo no so Kotoko ni has na edi obowie na boni yie a obepie no tumi samanfo hwahwawo ene ade nto omo players no omo kɔ park ni so a omo dia show mutirim se game aye ko edi e ko ne ye ko boni aboni yie se na be aye nso no da bia no yɛdi ɛbɛkɔ the good books of ɛyɛ Kotoko na ɛgya yɛka sɛ hwanom na hyɛ ɛyɛ House of Oak a yɛbɛbɔ mu so di nti anytime bia no saa deɛ no na motivate ɔmo a ɛma ɔmo tumi ɛnso ɛhyɛ ɛyɛ House of Oak no I am minimum say be one.
I can be just 2 questions, very, very quick.
Asenso wrap up now.
Hilary, sometimes when you beat your rivals and dominate them for a certain time, you and I know they'll be so poised to turn the story around.
Sure. And
you also know that for House of Folk, they will think this is the right time. If we need to beat Kotoko in a league match, this is the right time. They are in crisis. They are already down. Let's go and do it this time around. That familiarity of beating us in the league these days. Are you not scared that probably this is your worst mood to be in meeting House of Folk?
Not really. We might be sleeping but not dead. You see, that's why I said it's a game of pride. So let's see what happens on Sunday.
Okay. Then my last question obviously will be, I've watched a lot of videos with the players promising the supporters to come to the stadium, and you are going to fight. You are going to make sure that you put smiles back on their faces, and you're going to do whatever it takes to win the game. Among the players, what sort of conversation are you having right now, dealing with the pressure of the coach's exit, the pressure of bad results and everything? What kind of conversation do you have when you meet about this particular game that makes you guys so confident in inviting a lot of supporters to come on Sunday?
You see, what has happened, and we don't want such to repeat again. So we are always encouraging each other, talking to ourselves. We are like family. So we wouldn't want to, keep on disgracing the club like that or putting the club into shame like that. So we are just encouraging each other that not House of Folk will beat us. Not House of Folk. Yeah.
Okay.
So we are pleading to them.
Okay.
Okay. If you have a question,
you sound very confident. What is the one thing that you've seen with the Hearts team that makes you confident that you can beat? You are in a bad time. Hearts, they are doing particularly okay. Their coach is there. You don't have a coach. Your supporters, leaders are on radio and TV saying that the current coach is not even good enough. They don't trust him. What makes you think you can beat them? Apart from the pride, what does Kotoko have?
We have the quality compared to House of Folk. If you look at our current squad that we have, it's just that things are not really going for us. But it's not like we don't have the quality.
Has Coach Prince said anything to you guys since he came? And what has he said? Since he took over.
Yeah, he knows the pressure around him and all of us. So he's trying his best to protect us from the external pressure that would affect us.
Finally, I'm sure you have friends in Hearts.
Not really.
You don't have no player, no teammates, nothing.
No.
So you don't know them at all.
No.
Maybe from just technical stuff.
From
That's all.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Okay. Mr. Odu Ayala Dieno. Hala Bisan say Nansei Kamia say as a Kotoko team no and some bebre omukogi ma omunche any ade ama omu players no pressure ma omu so and komudie be na omu di especially with the Sunday game now omu kwakobo na Adabo say oh yes hard game but them omu players in there omu family and omu di omu nkomo pa whatever bia abebia no players in omu di ato omachi pressure udie be ndi be omu ndi na ato omachi because Sunday no House of Folk and omu bo enti enema nko yi a
no say omudi di omu nkomo no omu hihye omu hu nkran obia hia ne yonko a na o hye ne hu nkran say mo ye pega ye hu na bia
no result na de ma no
ngwase enti ye hwe na ngwase results na ye nya no ye try na yenyi emfemfiri ho na de oketwa to ne say sankomodi die na omudi hye omu hu nkran no omo si gina ye say yes Kotoko ne ebo untimi wini match bia but so bi ba be shey mpo abeya anyunya na ya house of folk nti yemfa to record that is what or kan fifi de no so na fifi busa no say ahunye hia mo mu nyina no utie ne kasa na asa akokodro wom na o ka say akokodro wom because o gidi say omu no bo ne bo che house for no omu players no kra no omu our quality eche house na say results bi na enkoyi ntia but just omu nyi omu hu ni say omu enye quality enche house nti we dey eto ma house for no Adabo say they have quality in terms of omu playing body no eche akra so folk my last question will be to Asenso we be probably ne last words or the my Asenso minim say Sunday nkofo beba minim say nyame adom yente kikawo bia o game no ebebo no peacefully na results ebebe mo bia ede akoni fie but for a typical Kotoko near wotie ne management member wo last assurance be na wo say ombrana or obeba na obeko back no enkoye the story of Adriana or the yaw ene abufo ne be free stadium akọ
Yenche said the Eddie Kaka said the Adabo kind. I'm picking a Kotoko ne house match. We play with pride. What I say? Yeah, I will not be happy if Yentimi and share match now. So whatever we want to, we will do as management with the players and the technical team now to make our supporters happy Sunday. We'll do it, and nothing will stop it. Whatever in football that we're supposed to do to win the match Sunday, we'll win it.
Package bi wa hana
apart from package which ma with team that say since an open campaign they may have of course nipa they may have more flaws be near there but about house Kotoko games are record
yeah
record is solid
maybe anu ntino almost sound too optimistic so on channel
no like you said one the quality is there yes football those setbacks are there a toda matches then koi o just say a toda but your match where we play with pride forget about match in koi sometimes you don't even need the match itself some motivation
yeah that's true
and say obi aba share time house me share we fee nothing we not allow that
but so the way we can them say has on be share be won apa wo
NC
has na ni bo
NC put me on record
Ali Mohammed voice man record you
Ali Mohammed ye no mami say bia
wa to grammar Asenso man record it
ewa mami
we record it
oh I no pass me bibi so na we ni sumum na me we
what's he say
I am so no what tie voice what's he say
o say what is Kotoko for ne kasaba
why ne kai
Muhammad Ali Mohammed has defender Ali Mohammed also what is a mo you come say and mba be show mo o say kasa yem frama those are his words oh I am your voice no me I don't pay the tools so that other producers or went me your voice no o say kasa yem frama na Sunday Kotoko be ku bibi
Asenso we dey shame you on kasa
you say ignored
o say kasa na yem frama
and I'm say ignored means so as
I thought
so but Sunday obehu bibi o
pass do almost o massacre nyi kumase
yes e be chom say massacre nyi house folk on any day e be bomb back and front
na show mo na we
so we no man can say that
ya shano away you be say shano
Asenso
am say no kra abeta mo bi on ho
better mo
okay men kasa bebre omunim de beba and that 1v1 no asibi against Abet
on Kevin no say
aye o dey interest me say in time say kasa en from on kasa o dey on kasa na wi a 90 minutes be o dey besi okay na Monday is meba
sure Monday is over na in na ni di game no
ana be jomo
enkomo enti central line ni popular ni 950
cities
and VIP no
right
and the annex in the so
you be gate so 12 o'clock
yeah media for no so
Say media.
Say the media, yeah, commentary. Because the commentary rights.
But your opinion for accreditation say will be a person or baby.
Oh, okay.
And me say, me sure say be among call for no so true be by. Definitely, we are making room for all those things. But I'm on Munti man, virtual seat, no. I'm on Munti man. But sell up a say, I was Uncle Phobia, I'll be sending message say US won't be man, but I'll be so to ticket. And to make me send the Kotoko number no 0549 765842. 0549 765842.
Okay.
I know your Kotoko. Until send them as a Kotoko dinner, Basante Kotoko. I see never. Not just one say idea.
Okay.
Tomorrow I'm going to be man so now. Virtual season with me at all. I was sign on banners.
Asenso. Yanamasi.
Yes, yeah, that must say. Say, Mamma, I can't to say na. Yet me about say idea.
Mufi.
And yala ne Fatilo and Kameba de Bia.
As a minimum, say to us now. But I want you to Chahobra.
Eventually,
Chahobra.
I think for him to have some family, Shawanzo 4.5 to be ready. Say, Kosiada, Yakoba Stadium.
Yacha 4 p.m. near Trans.
Not because of supporters, no. Yes, Sam. And now a coach in the Penuna Wano. Is a coach Ben Mongofa?
No match in
me. More game in me. Moon for any excuse. Focus Stadium. Sabrina Santa Kotoko.
Don't put coach na the Brasted on a protest.
No. I hold the whole background. So we be Fabra.
Placard Bra. Make sure say who stadium war.
A pump on another.
All our protest name.
Where do you carry petition? I'm there. Before budget now, my head.
Ujina question out to Boba Park. So the Bra Park no so never protest.
I say for your bus is here.